What happens when raw American muscle collides with legendary global durability? The 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee and the 2027 Toyota Hilux are about to go head-to-head. One truck brings aggressive V8 attitude and bold street presence. The other arrives with proven toughness, off-road confidence, and worldwide reputation. First up, the 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee. Every truck brand is chasing off-road right now. Ram just built a 700 horsepower street-killing muscle truck instead. Supercharger whine, Hive yellow paint, Brembo brakes. The Rumblebee is officially back. Welcome back to Improve Autos. While Ford plays in the desert and Chevy plays it safe, Ram just went full street racer with the 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee SRT. Let's break it down right now. Starting outside, and this truck announces itself before you even start the engine. Hive yellow body paint, deep gloss black upper section, racing stripes cutting hard from hood to tailgate. This two-tone combination makes every other truck in the parking lot completely invisible. The Rumblebee was never designed to blend in. Up front, massive textured honeycomb grille with bold, dark Ram lettering dead center, glowing SRT badge in the corner, track-focus front splitter running the full bumper width, keeping 700 horsepower planted during hard launches instead of lifting the nose off the ground. Sides, blacked-out split-spoke performance wheels and high-performance street rubber. Behind those wheels, massive red Brembo brake calipers, the stopping power this engine absolutely demands. Around back, black spoiler lip above the tailgate, dual exhaust cutouts built for maximum airflow. This rear end tells the whole story before you ever open the hood. Yellow, black, mean, perfect. Step inside, and the street racer theme follows you through the door. Dark, premium materials everywhere. Massive center infotainment display showing real-time track telemetry, launch control settings, quarter-mile readouts, horsepower output live on screen. Heavily bolstered sports seats with serious lateral support for hard cornering. Rear seats get premium diamond pattern inserts because this is still a truck that carries people every day. Aggressive enough to feel special every single time you sit down, comfortable enough to drive to work Monday morning without complaining. The 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee SRT is projected to start at approximately $78,500 for a limited edition supercharged 700 horsepower street truck with Brembo brakes and track telemetry and that Hemi V8 supercharger combination. That number is genuinely competitive against anything in the performance truck segment right now. It is trying to win every stoplight and every drag strip in America. 700 horsepower, supercharged Hemi, yellow paint, Brembo brakes, one purpose: go fast and sound incredible doing it. Here's a question for the comments right now. 2027 Toyota Hilux. Every rival is overcomplicating their trucks with fragile electronics and unproven hybrid systems. Toyota just built the opposite. The 2027 Toyota Hilux Next Gen is here, and it is heavier, meaner, and more unstoppable than anything before it. Welcome back to Improve Autos. While competitors chase technology trends, Toyota doubled down on what made them legendary: reliability, capability, dominance. Let's get straight into it. Starting outside, and this truck looks completely different from the moment you see it. Wider, more muscular, more aggressive than any previous Hilux generation. The front fascia has evolved into a massive octagonal matte black grille with bold, classic Toyota block lettering sitting dead center. This grille does not ask for attention, it takes it. Sharp, angular matrix LED headlights flank each side with a signature daytime running pattern that cuts through darkness instantly. Down low, a heavy-duty steel bash plate integrated directly into the front bumper. Side profile shows squared-off wheel arches wrapped in chunky, aggressive all-terrain tires built for relentless traction on any surface. Heavy-duty rock sliders protecting the lower sills from trail damage. Every detail on the outside of this truck was put there for a reason. Around back, vertical LED taillight bars. Reinforced dampened tailgate engineered for brutal daily worksite punishment. This rear end is built to take hits and keep working without a complaint. The 2027 Hilux looks exactly like what it is: a truck built to outlast everything. Step inside and Toyota has completely transformed what a Hilux cabin feels like. Gone is the basic utilitarian interior the old generation was known for. The 2027 brings a clean, modern dashboard centered around a large touchscreen display running wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, fully digital instrument cluster in front of the driver. Terrain data, towing metrics, and navigation all displayed clearly in one view. Premium materials throughout, quality stitched upholstery on the seats, physical, rugged controls within easy reach for genuine working conditions. Gloves on, muddy hands, no problem. Everything operates exactly the way a working truck driver needs it to. Multi-zone climate control, premium audio system, rear seats with real legroom for real passengers on long drives. This interior finally matches the capability the Hilux has always had under the skin. The 2027 Toyota Hilux Next Gen is projected to start at approximately $42,000 for standard configurations. For a twin-turbo V6 diesel midsize truck with locking differentials, heavy-duty off-road hardware, and a completely redesigned premium interior, that starting price is genuinely outstanding value in this segment. This is not a truck you buy and replace in 5 years. This is a truck you buy and hand down to the next generation. That is what $42,000 gets you here. So which one wins? The loud powerhouse or the unstoppable workhorse? Drop your winner in the comments and subscribe for more epic truck comparisons.